Nothing's changed about Jamaica, but some things remain the same. Kites still a fly high at Easter time. When breeze a blow, people make them kite and fly it in the sky. Corner shop still the boat. You can still get a big July aisle and your half a bread and whatever it is. Big up the corner shop them. On Saturday, soup still prepare. This red pea soup with pit steel chicken foot, turkey neck. Well nice on the Saturday day after cleaning done. Domino game half a go on pan the road and in a yard. Some people still vex because them still a get six love. Big up the domino player, especially my grandpa. And we still take care of each other, young and old. Jamaica people still full enough love. So despite what you hear on the news, Jamaica still full of love and blessings. Some things change, yeah, but some things remain the same.